Hi students, good morning all of you. Welcome to my video class. Today discuss next question. That question is used for to construct the angles. Conditions are given in the question. In each problem below, draw a circle. Want to draw a circle and a chord to divide it into two parts. That chord is divided into two parts such that the parts are specified. Here parts are specified. First one, question: all angles on one part 80 degree. That is first question. Similarly, 4 questions are there. Then one chord is drawing that are divided into two parts, but condition is given one part 80 degree. That construction using the statement angle made at the one arc is half of the angle made at the alternate angle at the center. Using that statement and draw the circle and chord. How to draw the circle? Using compass. Any measurement, draw a circle. Therefore, using compass, draw a circle. First, draw circle. All are not the circle. How to draw the circle? Start from fixed one point and start from down and rotate 1 times. Therefore, we get a circle. Clear? Then, mark the center. Where is fixed the compass? That is the center. Then, using that statement, divided into two parts. Therefore, one part is 1 to 80 degree. Therefore, 80 degree, that time center angle is 1 to draw double. 80 degree double. What is 80 double? Double 160 degree. 2 into 80, 160. Therefore, first draw one radius and measure 160 degree. 160 degree using protractor. Therefore, baseline, fix at baseline on the radius. Then take 160, 0, starting from 0, take 160. Therefore, here is 160. Mark 160. Then is join this point to the center. Therefore, mark O. What is the center angle now? Get 160 degree. Therefore, want to draw a chord. Therefore, draw the chord. Then, draw any arc, alternate arc. This is the chord AB. Make at the center 160. Therefore, alternate arc. Make an angle 80 degree. Therefore, 80 degree. Take any point on the alternate arc. I take here one P and mark this P. Therefore, we get one part is 80 degree. Therefore, this is 80 degree. Remaining part is 80 degree. Angle at 80 degree. Remaining portion is to make, what is the angle? You are already studied. Sum of quadrilateral opposite angle is 180 supplemented. Therefore, here 80, therefore 100 degree. Make, therefore, that time 100 degree. But here, draw a circle, mark a chord. This is the chord AB. That AB make an angle, one arc 80. That is the first question. All angles on one part 80 degree. Same manner, draw second. All angles one part 110 degree. What is how to draw 110 degree? Same manner. Second question. Draw 110 degree. Therefore, 110 double. What is 110 double? 220 degree. Same manner. Want to draw a circle first. You want to explain how to draw. Take compass and mark. Draw any radius. Draw a circle. Any radius. One time only. Then mark the center. Here 220 degree. Therefore, draw one radius. Therefore, that time 220. 220 is difficult. Therefore, minus 360 minus 220 is easy. Therefore, what is 360 minus 220? 140 degree. Therefore, 220 is drawing using protractor is 180. First you want to take. Then after take again 40 degree. Then only you got or we got 220 degree. Therefore, easy 360 minus total angle is 360. Therefore, want to find out 220. Therefore, 220 minus we draw 140. That remaining part is 220. Therefore, first draw a radius and mark a same manner. Take measurement to 140 degree. 140. Then make an angle. Therefore, this angle is 140. Therefore, we get chord. We got chord. That chord is write another name CD. Therefore, it is divided into two parts. Here, drawing that time, we get alternate angle is 140 center angle. Therefore, here 70. But we want 110 degree. Therefore, want to remaining arc. Therefore, you measure that time we get 110 degree. What is the reason? Here 140. Therefore, remaining center angle is 220. 220. Center angle is 220. Angle made at the alternate arc is half of the center angle. 220 half 110 degree. Clear? Second question. Want to draw all angles. One part is 110 degree. Draw a circle of any radius. Then draw one radius. Then we want to draw 110 degree double 220. 220 is difficult to take in protractor. Therefore, 360 minus 220, 140. Take a 140 center angle. Therefore, 140 remaining angle is total 360. 360 minus 140, 220 degree. 220 degree. Therefore, this alternate angle make a 110 degree. Then third, all angles on one part, half of all angles on the other. One to angle, half of other. One angle make half. Therefore, total how 360 degree. Therefore, half. Half means this is half. Total half means 1:2. Divided into 1:2. Then how to divide 1:2? Therefore, total angle is 360. 360 ratios you are already studying how to find out the fraction. 1 by total. Total ratio 3. Therefore, cancel. Therefore, we get 120 degree. Therefore, want to draw in center angle is 120 degree. Therefore, other is half. What is this? Therefore, we get 120 degree. Therefore, draw double or 120. 120 draw in circle. Same manner draw a circle. First draw a circle. Mark a center. Then draw a radius. Measure using protractor 120 degree. At the center. Therefore, here remaining arc 240. We get the chord. Therefore, make any angle on the alternate arc. Therefore, this is 60 degree. Why? 120 half is 60. The remaining arc, what is the angle? 240 half is 120. Half of the all angles are half of. Here 240 degree. 240 half is 120. Therefore, all angles is half of the other. Here 120, therefore here is 60. Therefore, drawing any angle, therefore one chord is make an angles are or angle in a same arcs are equal. Therefore, angle in a same arc. Here, draw any angles at the end of this PQ. From the PQ, draw any linesment from the end of the PQ. Make an angle 60. Therefore, all are same. Therefore, here all angles are 60. The same manner, draw an angles here. All angles are 120. One is 120, other is 60. Therefore, half of other. Same manner, we want to draw the fourth question. Fourth question, all angles on one part, 1.5. 1.5. Therefore, how to draw 1.5? Same manner, 1.5 converted into mixed. 1.5 means 1.5 divide fraction 3/2. Therefore, what is the ratio? 3:2. Same manner, find the center angle. 360 into first measure 3 by total ratio 5. Then cancel 5, 60, 72 times. Reason 36, 5, 7. 7 5s are 35. Remaining 1, 0. 10 has 5, 2. 72 into 3. 72 into 3. 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 7, 260. The same manner, find the other. 360 into 2/3. 2/3 means 3 cancel. 120. 120 into 2, 2. 3, how many, 5, how many times? 72. 72 into 2, 144. Or you are find out 216. That is difficult to draw in protractor, take measurement in protractor. Therefore, 360 minus 216. 360 minus 216, we get 144. So, what is the degree? 144 degree. Therefore, that is easy to draw using protractor. Therefore, first want to draw a circle. Therefore, first want to draw circle of radius, any radius, same manner, mark an arc, then radius, take how many degree? Here 144 or 260? Easy, 144, take in protractor, 144, here is the 144, then join this line, then draw a chord. Joining these 2 points, draw a chord XY. Then this is the center O. One arc is this. Draw an angle. Take here 144. What is the angle? Here 72 degree. Remaining degree you measure. That time you got 260. Therefore, this is the center angle. Alternate angle. How much? Alternate angle? Half of 260. 108. Therefore, this is the 1.5 portion is 72. 108, 1.5 portion is 72. 72 and 108 is the answers. Therefore, 4 questions. Just want to explain. Only using the statement angle made at the arc is half of the angle made at the center. That statement is using and draw the construction. How to draw? One first is 80 degree. Therefore, double and take 160 degree. Mark a chord. That chord, 2 arcs are here. Center angle, alternate arc. Mark an 80 degree. Therefore, here drawing all angles are 80 degree. Same manner, second 110 degree. 110 degree double. 220, take measure 220 in protractor, difficult, therefore 2 times, first you want to take 180, then to 40 degree, therefore 220. That is easy, 360 minus 220, 140 degree. അതായത് 220 മൈനസ് ചെയ്ത് കിട്ടുന്ന 140 എടുത്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് ഈസി. അപ്പൊ 140 എടുത്ത് ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പൊ 140 കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതിന്റെ ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ എന്തായിരിക്കും? ബാക്കിയുള്ള ആംഗിൾ എത്രയായിരിക്കും? 360 140 മൈനസ് ചെയ്ത 220. അങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് 220 കിട്ടും. അപ്പൊ 220 ഇവിടെയാണ്, ഈ ആർക്കാണ് സെന്ററിൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയതെങ്കിൽ അതിന്റെ ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ആർക്ക് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ആംഗിൾ ഒക്കെ എന്തായിരിക്കും? 110 ഡിഗ്രി ആയിരിക്കും. അതായത് ഈ സെഗ്മെന്റിൽ വരയ്ക്കുന്ന ആംഗിൾസ് ഒക്കെ എന്തായിരിക്കും? 110 ഡിഗ്രി ആയിരിക്കും. അതുപോലെ 1.5 ആവുമ്പോൾ റേഷ്യോ ആക്കി മാറ്റുക. സെന്ററിലാണ് വരയ്ക്കുന്നത്, അതുകൊണ്ട് 360. റേഷ്യോന് 1/3 ആക്കി 120 വരയ്ക്കാം. ഒരു ആർക്ക് സെന്റർ ആംഗിൾ 120 ആണ്. അപ്പൊ അതിലുണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ആംഗിൾ ഒന്ന് 60യും അതിന്റെ ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന 120യും. ഇത് തമ്മിലുള്ള റിലേഷൻ ഇതിന്റെ ഹാഫ് ആയിരിക്കും 60 ഡിഗ്രി. ഹാഫ് ആണ് 60 ഡിഗ്രി. അങ്ങനെ ഇത് രണ്ടും എപ്പോഴും ഇവിടെ വരയ്ക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ ആംഗിൾസ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? 60 ആയിരിക്കും. ഇവിടെ വരയ്ക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ ആംഗിളും, ഈ സെഗ്മെന്റിൽ വരയ്ക്കുന്ന ആംഗിൾസ് ഒക്കെ എന്തായിരിക്കും? 120 ഡിഗ്രി ആയിരിക്കും. അതുപോലെ ഫോർത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ 1.5 ആണ് വരയ്ക്കേണ്ടത്. 1.5 മീൻസ് 3/2 ആണ്. റേഷ്യോ 3:2 ആണ്. 360 3 ടോട്ടൽ ആണ് ചെയ്യുക. 216 കിട്ടും. നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞ മാതിരി പ്രൊട്രാക്റ്റിൽ വരയ്ക്കാൻ ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട് ആയതുകൊണ്ട്, പെട്ടെന്ന് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് 360 വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റും. പക്ഷെ ഇതാണ് ഈസി. 360 216 മൈനസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 144 വരയ്ക്കാം. 144 വരച്ച ഒരു ആംഗിള്, അതിന്റെ ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ 72 വരും. ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് 108 കിട്ടും. അങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? ഈ കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആക്കാം. ക്ലിയർ ആയോ?